Hi everyone, this video is mostly like an update of whatever has happened so far in my life and what is the future course of action. If you know, the mains has started and we have started with the ethics. Piyush sir is taking it. I kind of like his way of teaching and he gave the PDFs and everything, but we were also asked to make the running notes in the class itself because he was giving certain PPTs from where we have to make notes, and most importantly the ppts will not be given to the students. Other than that, my mains, whatever subjects I have covered so far, like geography, modern Indian history, economy, so for this I have also started my mains. I've been seeing the previous year questions and I'm making notes like this. I have to see to what extent this is useful. For that, there is previous year questions, papers, compilation, and previous year topper copies, and a bit of mock test series from the institutions like that. I have also shifted to this pens V5, V7. I think V7 is going my way. I personally like the Pentel zero point 0.7 Pentel Energil one. That is amazing, but I did not really get it anywhere. And if you know, the monsoons have started for us, especially for the northern coastal region of Andhra Pradesh. My area is closer to Vishakhapatnam, so this is the case. Everything is lovely. We stopped using the AZs and it's cool, it's pleasant, it's windy, breezy, whatnot. So the mood is very much in sync with whatever I want to do. Now that I'm not going out actively, this is a proper mood setter for the day. Life lately is mostly about studying and figuring out. My mother made some evening snack because it's raining and everything. So I studied and the next day I woke up early. Lately, I'm also waking up pretty early now that it has become a very good part of my system. And it was so pleasant. The mornings are really amazing. Most of my neighbors wake up at 4, 4:30, and some students will get up and study. All of this is good. The home environment is amazing. But the thing is, I want to go out and I want to be in the proper environment. Definitely not going to Delhi, and I'm planning to go to Chennai. So I've booked my tickets to the month end, but right now I'm in a phase where I'm searching for the flat. The flats are way too expensive, or when the price is good, I'm not liking the flat. If the flat is good, the price is way beyond our budget. Me and my friend, so she is from Chennai, and she and her father are searching the flats. So I hope this goes our way, but it is too much of tension. Like, what if we don't find the flat and it will break the timeline and everything. My goal is to be finish my mains by December. I'm planning to finish my optional paper 1, paper 2 at the best of my ability, GS4, GS3, GS2. This is what I want to finish by December. And GS1, here and there, I'm not sure if I'll be able to finish it or not. Not attending the classes, but of course, I want to sit, I want to make my notes, I want to see the previous year questions, and I want to have certain things handy by December. This is my goals, and I'm very particular about how I want to do this. So most of my, I wanted to do this, I wanted to do that. I just wanted to cover everything. I want to be jack of all the. No, no, it's not like that. So I have decided that I'll cut down on my daily to-do lists and I'll keep one task at one time and I'll focus only on that. I will not be able to cover 100% of the syllabus, but whatever is given to me, let's say 70%, 60%, 75%, I want to finish it to the best of my ability and then go. Because what I understood is, if I want to master everything, I'll be left with none. So this is one thing that I have understood so far in this journey. So whatever the bare minimum notes that I'm making, and for optional, most importantly, I started going through the PDFs again, going through my class notes again, and then trying to make certain important key points like thinkers, scholars, and their literary works, their contribution, their case studies. What did they study? For example, like in the Indian villages or tribal contributions, or if they have done any field works anywhere in the world. So, like that, I'm trying to write the stuff that I'm actually forgetting, and I'm revising that only. So far, it is working. Started with theories of anthropology. And I have also started the CSAT. This is not exactly CSAT, but this is the quants and logical reasoning portion of the exam. This is my weak area because I want to consider other options as well. Anyways, too much of the serious stuff. So, in the midweek, I went to my. If you remember, I was attending one engagement back then, remember? That person's wedding. So, I have to go. This is for the first time I kind of draped a sari. I was very conscious. I was extremely, extremely conscious. Like, it feels like it's slipping off from me, and that too, this is some tissue fabric. It was amazing. I really had fun. But the thing is, I'm very much new to this sari, so I did not know how to handle. And on top of it, it was drizzling, it was raining, and like we have parked the car somewhere, so we have to walk. So all of that sounded very clumsy. Anyways, had great fun. My other friend, she did not come because she went to Tirupati on the same day. So I went, met my school friends, had fun. Like it was amazing, just a 2 to 3 hour outing. I wanted to stay, but I could not stay because I have other commitments at home and for my work as well. So next day I woke up and then started my day pretty early, and I don't want to eat anything heavy today. That's what I told myself. So I had some light coffee and then I started getting back to my work, and everything is going well. Oh, by the way, we live in the first floor, but I do come to the ground floor because there is a room vacant here, and this is where I study. Now that I'm also planning to shift, I think having own space is also important. I do not really know how the aesthetics works right now. Most importantly, what is important for me is it working for me or not? I really cannot focus on the aesthetics right now, like nice curtains, nice table, nice this, nice light. Yes, true, understandable, but right now the focus is only and only on finishing the syllabus. But because trust me, it's a massive load of the work, and on top of it, I'm new to this and I don't know
So in
how
the
to manage
evening,
it.
I
I
went
went out for a walk and got myself some ice cream. I was actually craving some ice cream, but the thing is, this is way too bad. I don't know why there were dry fruits. ఏవేవో dry fruits are there in this. It was not at all good. Ice cream ante vanilla, ఇంకా ఏంటి చాక్లెట్ అండ్ ప్రాబబ్లీ బటర్ స్కాచ్ అంతే. ఐ డోంట్ లైక్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటింగ్ అట్ ఆల్. మై బ్రదర్ వాంటెడ్ మీ టు గెట్ దిస్. వే టు బ్యాడ్, వే టు బ్యాడ్. డోంట్ బై దిస్ ఇఫ్ యూర్ no. Whatever should be there in the ice cream, only that should be there. That's how I feel. Now let me tell you a trick here. This is how I keep my windows. I do not completely block out the sunlight. So early in the morning, when the sun rays out, when the window looks like this, when the sun rays get inside my room through this, that's how I signal myself that okay, now I can't sleep. The thing is, I really can't sleep if I see the sunlight. So that really worked, and that's how I started waking up early. No matter how many alarms I put, I will not be able to wake up, but if there is light, I'll definitely wake up. So that's what I'm following. And then this is my mother. She's getting ready to go out. Remember money? I have told you in my previous videos, money, money, money. Money's wedding. And me and my mother, we were talking, and she was complaining about my hair. See,
hi.
I told her to act very
Hi.
natural in front of the camera, but she made it too
ఎక్కడికి
obvious. But
వెళ్తున్నావు?
the way she told hi, and I could
ఎక్కడికి
not
వెళ్తున్నావు?
control the laughter.
మనీ పెళ్ళికి
I
నాన్న.
wanted to
మనీ
ask her
ఎవరు?
certain questions, but she ruined it by making it too obvious. Anyway, after that, I have made myself some pineapple juice. Pineapple is 40 rupees. Pineapple, one full pineapple is 40 rupees. One glass of pineapple juice is 80 rupees. And like that, they'll give you five. Look at the profit they're making. I've studied and I was just revising certain geography basics. And this is how I study most of the times. I study in the iPad itself. And if you see, that is a calendar notification for me. I do the time blocking. If you know Ali Abdal, I would highly recommend you to check that. I very strictly understand what he tries to say. I really give in my efforts there. Look out for time blocking from his channel. It will definitely help out all the students. It's very good for productivity. I'm not a huge fan of productivity and the tools, all of that stuff, but certain times we need the tools and the mechanism or certain systems for us to understand what's wrong with us. Basically, nothing is wrong with us, it's just in the habits. So, I've learned a lot from him. Do check it out. And then I studied for a while. In the evening, went out to meet one of my friends, and he is writing this year's main. This person took infinite tension, saying, "Ah, I'm not able to clear the prelims. I won't be able to clear prelims." No, 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 no. He cleared prelims. Next day, woke up early in the morning. I woke up at 4:45 itself, but somehow I was just, the lethargy was kicking in, sleepy, all of that. But the monsoon was amazing. I really love this kind of weather conditions. Very good, like I said. And then I quickly freshed up and then I started studying again. I did not take shower very early in the morning because it was cold and it was so nice. So what I did was okay, now that the energy is high, now that my energy, mental energy, physical energy, everything is high, I've decided that I'll get to the study table straight away. And I have purchased a 100 rupee notebook. It was like a bit of bulky. If you see, I don't think you can see in the video, but that's where I have purchased a small notebook, and that's where I write my to-do list. So many of us write on the previous day, but I also prefer writing it on the morning itself. So that will be like setting the tune for the day for me. And I do not keep so many tasks at hand. I keep at max 3, worst case 4, and I'll see how much I have achieved on a daily basis. I'm doing it, and trust me, it's working. And this is something my mother started. This is the seed, I don't know, ఏదో seeds వేసి ఇలా మొక్కలు పెంచుతారు. Again, you will take it to the main pot or garden. I really like this. I mean, suddenly started liking and feeling that, oh, life is too precious. Look, one small seed it gave. It's beautiful and happy. That day, my mood was really good. That's why I was going a bit philosophical. And after that, these were the guavas from my garden, and this was the star fruit. For the first time, I'm actually eating this star fruit, which is ripe. I did not like it. And this is the homegrown vegetables, all of that. Like I already showed you in my previous videos about my garden and how dedicated my mother is. So then I freshed up, and then I have decided that whatever is there, I see I have this problem of compiling the A4 sheets. Somehow these A4 sheets do not really work. I hate too many papers. I hate when the fan is on, these papers will keep on. I don't know. It's way too distracting. I don't like fan sound. So these are certain things I do not really like. Some people are obsessed with aesthetics, but more than aesthetics, I'm obsessed with sound. I'm obsessed with this clutter and all of that. The more the clutter, the lesser I will think. And I don't know. This is something that I'm still handling. But I feel comfortable when the books are spiral binded or when the I'm actually writing in notebooks. But it is not advice for competitive examinations. That's what most of us were told. But I think I have to play according to my strengths sometimes. But for prelims and the first reading, initial documents, all of that will be done in my iPad. This is my iPad. This is the Apple Pencil. So this is how I study. Some of us will use Samsung, and most of us actually you can also get it. The budget based iPads will also be there. This is a very old one, but I have purchased. I start continued using the same. And then I was searching for Billy everywhere. There is one big fat cat. It is coming and attacking my Billy. It's literally tearing apart the fur of my Billy. I felt so bad. Billy is not able to defend itself because it's only 7 months old. It's such a baby. How can it defend itself? So we were furious, and I don't want next time if the cat comes up here, I will beat it like anything. After that, I was very disturbed, but I will not be, just kidding, okay? So I was studying, and then my brother went to Hyderabad for certain work, and then he got this Rimra cookies. I love these cookies, but I don't know, everything tasted the similar one. If you go there, you try this. I think it will be around 300, 400, but it's amazing. It will be near Charminar. This is a very good set of cookies. I love cookies. If you love cookies, do suggest me where I can get, especially this in Bangalore. I have tried this Australian cookies. I love that again. And this is for the video. I will keep you updated. I'm also about to shift. From now on, I'll regularly update. That's a commitment. See you soon. All the very best. Bye bye.